Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to create Gmail account without phone number, alright? So let's begin with the video. To create a new Google account using Chrome without providing a phone number, start by opening the Chrome browser on your device. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. When the Sign In prompt appears, select Create Account and then choose For Myself. You'll be directed to a form where you need to enter your personal information. Start by typing in your first and last name. Next, you can either choose a suggested Gmail address or create a custom one. Enter your desired email address and create a strong password. After setting your password, click Next to continue with the account creation process. In the following step, you'll be prompted to enter a recovery email address. While this is optional, it's recommended for added security. If you prefer not to provide a recovery email, you can skip this step by clicking Skip. Similarly, you will have the option to add a phone number for account recovery and verification. If you want to create your account without a phone number, you can skip this step as well. Continue following the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll be asked to review and accept Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Make sure to read these documents carefully before agreeing. Once you've accepted the terms, your new Google account will be created, and you can start using it immediately. This simple process allows you to set up a Google account with minimal personal information, maintaining a balance between functionality and privacy. If you encounter any issues or have specific preferences, Google provides guidance and options within the account creation interface to help you manage your new account effectively. So that's basically how to create Gmail account without phone number. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.